Okay, my name is Nasser. Today mainly cover on shortcuts associated with Windows operating system. Windows operating systems are different from Mac operating system. For next times, I will show some Mac operating systems. So today starting from A up to Z shortcuts. Okay, Control plus A is given select alls. This is mainly function for select alls. Control plus B is used for bold, and again Control plus C used for copy some files that is related with Control plus C. So Control plus D used for bookmark or in browsing. This is used for bookmarks. And again Control plus E used for center alignments. And again Control plus F used for files. Control plus G used go to, that is in text editors. Control plus H is replace. If you find replacing something using Control plus H, Control plus I used for italic. If the font of that is used for the italic ones is Control plus I. And again for justify alignment is used Control plus J. Inserting some hyperlinks in writing system to using Control plus J. Control plus K used to insert hyperlink. And again for Control plus L used for left alignment. Control plus M increasing index. Control plus N open new document. Control plus O open the files. Control plus P for print. Control plus Q remove the paragraph formatting. Control plus R right alignment. Control plus S used for save. Control plus T new tabs in browsing. Control plus U used for underline. Control plus V used for paste. Control plus W closing window or tabs. Control plus X used for cut. Control plus Y used for reading. Control plus Z is under. This is today's lessons. Efficiency for today. Bye.